Hi, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to fix the HomePod Mini setup failed -530. So let's get started. So the fix number one is forget the Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. Open the settings menu on your device. Look for the Wi-Fi or the network settings option. Tap on the scan or similar options to search for the available Wi-Fi network. Look for the signal strength bars next to the each network to access the strength of the Wi-Fi signal. Choose your preferred Wi-Fi network and enter the password if required. Connect and reconnect to the network. The fix number two is factory reset your HomePod. Look for the factory reset or the reset option within the settings menu. You may need to enter the password or confirm the reset of action to ensure it's international. Allow the device to reset, which may take a few minutes. After the reset, you will need to set up the device as if it were new. So the fix number three is check the firmware update. Identify the device to be updated. Access the device firmware update section. Check for the available updates manually. If an update is available, download and install it. Allow the update to complete, which may require the device to be inaccessible during the installation process. Confirm the successful installation by checking the firmware version or the state. And the fix number four is you can contact the Apple support team for further assistance through the website support.apple.com/en-in/homepod. Okay, so they are the expertise. They will help you to fix the problem and they give you the better solution. Okay, so that's all about this section. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video.